Hello everyone, this is Jem from Dado Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 29th of April, and today is April last trading day, and then we will close today in the afternoon. Then on Monday we will start a new month. All right. First of all, I will just share some news with you. This morning we have received a lot of GDP growth data for the first quarter of this year from European countries. France, no growth, 0%. In Spain, slightly, like 0.3% growth. In Italy, it's minus 0.2% decline in GDP. In Germany, and as you know, like on the fourth quarter, Germany has declined. Germany's GDP has declined. If we had received any negative data, technical recession would happen in Germany, but it was 0.2% growth quarter over quarter in the first quarter. So, but still, as you can see here, in spite of a lot of effort by European Central Bank, no growth is happening in Europe, and probably as long as we see Russia and Ukraine war in the second quarter, we will definitely see some contraction in European countries, in European economies, and it will just be, if that happens, the first country, Italy, will be in technical recession. That's for kind of sure. All right, that's expected, and it's important because Italy is already like a problematic country in Europe, and that can just cause another problem. It can be next Greece of Europe. All right, that was news. Let's start with our first chart. As you can see, our first chart is GBP USD, and GBP USD has declined really low level. As you can see here, oversold territory. It just reached that area, and right now slightly, just 1 point actually, okay, compared to this one, okay, as you can see here, it's a massive decline in the last recent days, and right now a small rebound, but still we are so close. If we haven't seen contraction in US economy minus 1.4, it will go like this level will go for probably 1.20. But then right now a lot of people just thought that, yeah, we are just trusting USD so much, but what if it happens something more? Then GBP and Great British Pound and Euro just on the rise these hours. Let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
All right, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. It's also on the rise. Main reason for the rise is oil prices. Oil prices is another attack because Shanghai local government just told that on today 12 million, almost half of the population right now in low risk areas, so they can just leave their houses. That means demand for oil will just go higher, and in a few days they are just trying to completely open the city, and when that happens we will see more demand for oil. When that happens we can see rising oil prices. When oil price rise, then we will definitely see rise in Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. You know, Bank of Japan has just announced that they are doubling their stimulus package, so they will just printing a lot of money. Then it will just cause devaluation of devaluation of Japanese yen more and more. So it may test this level first. If it can successful, go over, but if it cannot be successful or any drop in oil prices, it's in a good sell position. Just watch it out. This is a good opportunity. Let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is wheat prices. You know, wheat prices always important for our traders and at the same time for global economies. As you can see from these high levels at the beginning of March, it has relaxed some. Reason is spring crop season. This is just helping some to easing prices, but it's not letting to completely decline to 900 levels. As long as these wheat prices over $1,000, it's problematic for countries, especially Middle East and African countries, because they are dependent on imports, and if the price goes higher, so they will just have a lot of trouble on import prices. All right, it was it, and as I said, this is important, but slight chance of a rejection on here. We may see a decline in wheat prices. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and then we will cover more charts with you. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.